Hi friends, welcome to Tech Trends. In this video, we can see how to create a rain alarm notification using Node MCU board. Let's watch the video. The components required for this experiment are Node MCU board, rain sensor, connecting wires and connecting cable. This is our rain sensor. So this sensor has two parts. So this part we need to connect with the Node MCU board, and this part we need to place in the water. Now let's see the connection. The rain sensor has 4 pins: VCC, ground, DO and AO. So here in this experiment we are connecting the VCC pin from the rain sensor with the 3 volt in the Node MCU board, and a ground pin to the ground pin in the Node MCU board, and the digital output pin with the pin number D1 in the Node MCU board. Now let's connect the rain sensor with the Node MCU board. First one is the VCC. This one we are connecting with the 3 volt in the Node MCU board. Next one is the ground. The ground pin we are connecting with ground pin in the Node MCU board. The third one is the output pin. Output pin we are connecting with pin number D1. So this is our circuit connection. Download the Blink app from the Play Store and open the app. Here click New Project and enter the project name. We are entering the name as Rain Alarm System. Then select the device. Our device is ESP8266. If you want to change the device, you can click this arrow and you can change the device. Then click Create. This will send an authentication key to the registered email address. If we click OK. Now we created the project, and click on the plus button on the top menu and add the notification widget. Then click on this widget and select the priority as high, and then click customize behavior and check whether the notification is enabled. Now go back and click on the play button.
Now connect the Node MCU board to the laptop and upload the program. Before upload the program, we need to modify the authentication code sent from the Blink app to the registered email address here. Here you can replace with your authentication code. Then you need to enter your Wi-Fi username and Wi-Fi password here. Then go to Tools and select the board as Node MCU. Then select the port. Then click on the right arrow button and upload the program. The program is uploaded now, and we can check the output.
Now I am placing the rain sensor in the water, and it will show the alert in the mobile. Please like this video and subscribe to Tech Trends channel. If you have any clarification, please post in the comments. Thank you.